पेपर बरो आशिल्ले पयले पेक्षा बरो आनी दिल्ले तुवें
पहिली बरो आसलें
आतां डिफिकल्ट आशिल्लो
कितें एक्सपेक्टेशन कितें आहा तुजें सद्या
एक्सपेक्टेशन खंय आहे
भितर मॅनेजमेंट कशें आसलें बरें आसलें
Actually, I was feeling very bad because again you have to say because the first paper was comparatively easy. But now, yeah, but I'm feeling better. I got another opportunity to answer, so it was good.
What would you say is easier, getting into NEET or getting into a go and read Shack? NEET?
Yeah.
It's a moderate म्हणू शकता. Not like last time. Last time mass or like easy आशिल्लो, but this time it was moderate.
हां हां मग प्रिपेअर्ड जाल्लो तूं
हय.
ओके
प्रिपेअर जाल्लो.
ओके
नाव कितें तुगेलें?
अश्लेंद्र शेट.
खंयच्यान येयलो तूं
वास्कोसून. बरें आशिल्लें.
बरें आशिल्लें काय डिफिकल्ट
ना.
ओके येस थँक्यू पेपर आं
पेपर कसो गेलो?
कसो गेलो बरो गेलो पयलीं आशिल्लो काय आतां वीच सब्जेक्ट
Which subject, madam?
टफ आशिल्लो
The paper. How was the paper? Huh?
It was easy paper. Paper was nice.
Any for difficulties the question answers the paper.
Physics was difficult. Physics paper was difficult.
What is his name?
Bhagwat Marandi.
Where we?
Madgaon.
Okay.
How was physics paper?
How was the paper?
Good, moderate.
Any difficulty?
Chemistry was the last time. Moderate. Physics was little like
comparative to the last year.
yes.
Any difficulty?
What about what is our cutoff? How much you feel like the cutoff will be here?
500,
500 will be the cutoff for general.
550.
550 is the cutoff. That means it was very easy paper then.
No, like 500 and 30 like for general.
Any difficulty for paper is writing? Any
Sticking of the
Sticking any-
of the
No.
Okay.
Nothing.
photos and all that
Yeah.
signing and all that. No difficulty.
Not
Yeah.
पहले एग्जाम हुआ था उससे अच्छा था या अभी हो रहा है
पिछली वाले से टफ था
ये टफ
Physics chemistry की तरफ
हां बायोलॉजी तो पेपर कसो गेलो भाई?
ओके असलो पेपर बरो असलो बायो असलो बरो
हां
बाकीचे ओके असले फिजिक्स तितको बरो नासलो पण
Any difficulty आयली तुमका पेपर बरोबर?
हां
Any difficulty?
डिफिकल्टीज भी आसले
Difficulty कितें?
difficulty signing form.
Form यानी
ना
difficulty.
तितून काय डिफिकल्टी नसले ना तितून काय
आणि कितले एक्सपेक्टेशन असा तुझे
काय खबर ना
खबर
सारकें.
ना 520 530 कटऑफ तू तिसऱ्यांदा दुसऱ्यांदा येत आहे
पहिल्यांदाच
पहिल्यांदाच
थँक्यू
दुसऱ्यांदा